Gold was long regarded as the go-to inflation hedge, but the world is different now. Cryptocurrencies seem to be the new inflation-resistant asset in town, and Bitcoin, which is the largest of them all, has all the makings of an excellent hedge. Why? Because Bitcoin is not tied to any one currency or economy. Bitcoin also isn't controlled by a company or stakeholders. If anything, it's an international asset that reflects global demand. When the US is experiencing high inflation, investors have to take on more risk to offset the decline in existing asset values. So while a 3% yield was good enough to allow you to retire, now, even 6% won't cut it. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the stocks of 500 of America's largest companies. The average long-term return of the S&P 500 is somewhere around 7 to 8% per year, which is barely above the inflation rate. Now, it has had higher returns in the last 10 years. The downside? Valuation is now much higher than in previous years, so getting in is not easy. This is why investors are looking at options outside the US for a return of over 6%. Enter Bitcoin. Bitcoin sidesteps many of the political and economic risks associated with the US stock market, and it's a practical way to diversify your investment portfolio. It is also a better bet as an inflation hedge because of its limited supply. There will be no more than 21 million coins, and over 19 million have already been mined. A fixed supply means new coins can never enter circulation, meaning there can never be inflation. And like gold, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are interchangeable and secure. But unlike gold, Bitcoin is also portable, transferable, and arguably more decentralized. Even gold's supply is controlled by sovereign nations like the US and China, but theoretically speaking, anyone in the world can store and protect their Bitcoin easier than they can with gold. But the words investing and cryptocurrency invite fear of the unknown for those who have never done this before. How does one start? What does it entail? More importantly, how long will it take?